we will simplify minus 3x square plus 7x plus 5 times x minus 2 plus 3x minus 4 times x plus 8. So first, it's a simple thing. We will multiply this expression with this expression. It means minus 3x square times x. It means minus 3x cube, right? Then minus and minus, once you multiply, it will be plus. 2 times 3 is a 6x square. Then plus 7x square minus 14x, then plus 5x, plus and minus, once you multiply, it will be minus 5 times 2 is a 10, plus 3x, it will be 3x square, plus 3 times 8, 24x, then minus 4x, then minus and plus, it will be minus 4 times 8, it will be 32. Okay, now we will segregate which is similar. Minus 3x cube, it will be unchanged because here is no x cube. Then 6x square, 7x square, and here 3x square, all are positive. So 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 3, it will be 16x square. Then coefficient of x, here is minus 14x plus 5x and minus 4x. So what will be the answer? Here is minus 14x, this one, and here is 5x and minus 4x. So minus 14x, here is another x which is plus 24x. So 24 plus 5, 24 plus 5 equals to 29. This is positive. And minus 14, another minus 4, minus 4, it will be minus 18. So finally it will be 11. It means plus 11x, right? And then minus 10 and minus 32. So it will be minus 42. So this is our answer. Very simple. So number 1 done. Number 2, we will factorize 27x square minus 72xy plus 48y squared. So before factorization, we have to find out what is the similar thing in this algebraic expression. Look, here is x square, here is x, so it's not similar because here is 1y. But here is 27, 72 and 48. What is the common factor? So 27, 72 and 42, 48. If we factorize like 27, we can write 1 times 27, 3 times 9, right? 4 is not possible, 6 not possible. 72, 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, then 4, is it possible? 4 times, so 72 divide 4, it will be 18, right? So 4 times 18, 5 not possible, 6 times 12, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 8 is possible, 8 times 9, and then this one, and finally 48. 48, this one we can 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times what, 16, right? 4 times 12, 5 not possible, 6 times 8, 9, 10 is not possible. Now look, here the factors of 27, 72 and 48. So what is the common thing and which is the highest? So here 3 and 3 is the highest common factor. So we can take common from here 3. So 27 divide 3, it will be 9, and here x square, minus 72 divide 3, it will be 24 xy, right, plus 48 divide 3, it will be 16 and y square. Now 3, it will be unchanged, and this one we can write 9, we can write 3 and x square, it will be x square. 3x square, it means 9x square, minus here 16, we can write 4y square. 4 square means 16, y square is a y square. Now look, 2, if we consider 3x is a and 4y is a b, so minus 2ab. A means 3x, b means 4y, right? So 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 2 is a 24. So it will be 24xy. So this one we can write 3x plus, not plus, it's a minus 4y whole square, and this is our factors of 27x square minus 72xy plus 48y square. So number 2 done. It's a short math, but I am doing little bit, I am trying to solving this one little bit more time, but I am trying to learn or show basic level. Okay, so number 3, factor 50x square minus 72. This is 50x square minus 72. This one also similar thing, we have to find out the common thing. So from 50 we can take common 2. So here will be 25x square minus 72. Once we divide by 2, it will be 36. It's a very simple 2. This 25x square we can write 5x square minus 6 square, right? So finally 2, 5x plus 6 and 5x minus 6, and this is our answer. So number 3 done. Number 4, we will simplify. We can write in here, in numerator it will be x square plus 9x minus 36, x square plus 9x minus 36, divide x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x minus 18. So first we have to try, if possible it's good, not then we will try to find out another rule. By middle term factor we are trying to solve this one. 36, it means 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12. Look, this 12 and 3 has a relation. It means 3 times 12 is a 36 and 12 minus 3 is a 9. So we can write x square plus 12x minus 3x minus 36. Okay, so what about 18? Look, 18 we can write 1 times 18, then 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Look, 6 times 3 is 18, and also 6 minus 3 is a 3. Okay, so we can write x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18, right? Then we can take common x, so here will be x plus 12. We can take common minus 3, again x plus 12. In denominator we can take common x, so x plus 6. We can take common minus 3, again x plus 6. So finally what is happening here is x plus 12, and then once we take common x plus 12, it will be x plus 12 and x minus 3, and here is also similar thing, x plus 6 and x minus 3. Now x minus 3 we can divide. Our answer will be x plus 12 divide x plus 6. Very simple. Okay, so no more today. I am trying to solve 4 math, which is very important for your practice. Please note that basic is very important. Without any basic you cannot solve big things. So please subscribe my channel, which is Mathjit. I am trying to solve lots of math like simplification, set, function, algebra, trigonometry, etc., lots of things. So you will see my channel, and if you think this channel is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.